This will be the 8th in a series of electrical practice problems. In this video, we will continue to look at a series parallel circuit problem. Once I am finished with this series of problems, I will be posting them in my stand store at this web address. In this network, the current in the 4K ohm resistor is 3 milliamps. Our task will be to find the input voltage at Vs. The network is now labeled with all the currents and voltages. Take note that the current in the 4K ohm resistor has been relabeled 3 divided by K, representing 3 milliamps. Given the 3 milliamp current in the 4K ohm resistor, Ohm's law tells us that the voltage V1 is equal to 3 milliamps times 4K ohm, which is equal to 12 volts. Now, knowing V1, I1, and I2 can also be obtained using Ohm's law. I1 is equal to V1 divided by 6K ohm, which is equal to 12 volts, divided by 6K ohm, resulting in 2 milliamps. I2 is equal to V1 divided by the quantity 9 plus 3K ohm, which also is equal to 12 volts, divided by 12K ohm, which is equal to 1 milliamp. Now, applying Kirchhoff's current law at node B, I3 is equal to 3 milliamps plus I1 plus I2, which equals 3 milliamps plus 2 milliamps plus 1 milliamp equals 6 milliamps. Then, reverting back to using Ohm's law again, V2 is equal to I3 times 1K ohm, which equals 6 volts. Using Kirchhoff's voltage law, we can find out V3, which is equal to V2 plus V1, which is equal to 6 plus 12, which equals 18 volts. Then I4 is equal to V3 divided by 2 kiloohms, which equals 9 milliamps. And using Kirchhoff's current law, I5 is equal to I3 plus I4, or 6 milliamps plus 9 milliamps equals 15 milliamps. Back to using Ohm's law, V4 is equal to 2K ohm times I5, which is equal to 30 volts. And finally, using Kirchhoff's voltage law, Vs is V4 plus V3, which is equal to 30 volts plus 18 volts, which is equal to 48 volts. And this is the source voltage that we set out to find. This video is part of my electrical technical information series. In this series, I will be covering essential topics to help you understand electrical systems. These topics are small excerpts from my courses located in my stand store, which you can access by going to this web address. Before exiting this video, I want to make you aware of some huge sales that are coming up for members of Bluetti. Bluetti is a company that specializes in portable power stations, solar generators, and battery storage systems. It offers eco-friendly and reliable power solutions for outdoor activities, emergencies, and off-grid living. Their products include high-capacity lithium batteries with multiple outlets such as USB, AC, and DC, and compatibility with solar panels, making them ideal for providing power in remote locations during power outages. Bluetti is popular among campers, RV owners, and those seeking sustainable energy solutions. Their power stations come in various sizes and capacities, catering to different energy needs. To find out more and take advantage of this sale, simply click on this web address.